Storage. Amazon S3. Amazon Simple Storage Service, Amazon S3, is an object storage service that offers industry-leading scalability, data availability, security, and performance. This means customers of all sizes and industries can use it to store and protect any amount of data for a range of use cases, such as websites, mobile applications, backup and restore, archive, enterprise applications, IoT devices, and big data analytics. Amazon S3 provides easy-to-use management features. You can organize your data and configure finely tuned access controls to meet your specific business, organizational, and compliance requirements. Amazon S3 is designed for 99.9999999%, 11 nines, of durability, and stores data for millions of applications for companies all around the world. Amazon Elastic Block Store. Amazon Elastic Block Store, Amazon EBS, provides persistent block storage volumes for use with Amazon EC2 instances in the AWS cloud. Each Amazon EBS volume is automatically replicated within its availability zone to protect you from component failure, offering high availability and durability. Amazon EBS volumes offer the consistent and low latency performance needed to run your workloads. With Amazon EBS, you can scale your usage up or down within minutes, all while paying a low price for only what you provision. Amazon Elastic File System. Amazon Elastic File System, Amazon EFS, provides a simple, scalable, elastic file system for Linux-based workloads for use with AWS cloud services and on-premises resources. It is built to scale on demand to petabytes without disrupting applications, growing and shrinking automatically as you add and remove files, so your applications have the storage they need, when they need it. It is designed to provide massively parallel shared access to thousands of Amazon EC2 instances, enabling your applications to achieve high levels of aggregate throughput and IOPS with consistent low latencies. Amazon EFS is a fully managed service that requires no changes to your existing applications and tools, providing access through a standard file system interface for seamless integration. Amazon EFS is a regional service storing data within and across multiple availability zones, AZs, for high availability and durability. You can access your file systems across AZs and regions and share files between thousands of Amazon EC2 instances and on-premises servers via AWS Direct Connect or AWS VPN. Amazon EFS is well suited to support a broad spectrum of use cases from highly parallelized, scale-out workloads that require the highest possible throughput to single-threaded, latency-sensitive workloads. Use cases such as lift and shift enterprise applications, big data analytics, web serving and content management, application development and testing, media and entertainment workflows, database backups, and container storage. Amazon FSx for Lustre. Amazon FSx for Lustre is a fully managed file system that is optimized for compute-intensive workloads, such as high-performance computing, machine learning, and media data processing workflows. Many of these applications require the high performance and low latencies of scale-out, parallel file systems. Operating these file systems typically requires specialized expertise and administrative overhead, requiring you to provision storage servers and tune complex performance parameters. With Amazon's, you can launch and run a Lustre file system that can process massive data sets at up to hundreds of gigabytes per second of throughput, millions of IOPS, and sub-millisecond latencies. Amazon FSx for Lustre is seamlessly integrated with Amazon S3, making it easy to link your long-term data sets with your high-performance file systems to run compute-intensive workloads. You can automatically copy data from S3 to FSx for Lustre, run your workloads, and then write results back to S3. FSx for Lustre also enables you to burst your compute-intensive workloads from on-premises to AWS, allowing you to access your FSx file system over Amazon Direct Connect or VPN. FSx for Lustre helps you cost optimize your storage for compute-intensive workloads. It provides cheap and performant non-replicated storage for processing data, with your long-term data stored durably in Amazon S3 or other low-cost data stores. With Amazon FSx, you pay for only the resources you use. There are no minimum commitments, upfront hardware or software costs, or additional fees. Amazon FSx for Windows File Server. Amazon FSx for Windows File Server provides a fully managed native Microsoft Windows file system so you can easily move your Windows-based applications that require file storage to AWS. Built on Windows Server, Amazon FSx provides shared file storage with the compatibility and features that your Windows-based applications rely on, including full support for the SMB protocol and Windows NTFS, Active Directory, AD, integration, and distributed file system, DFS. Amazon FSx uses SSD storage to provide fast performance your Windows applications and users expect, with high levels of throughput and IOPS, and consistent sub-millisecond latencies. This compatibility and performance is particularly important when moving workloads that require Windows shared file storage, like CRM, ERP, and NET applications, as well as home directories. With Amazon FSx, you can launch highly durable and available Windows file systems that can be accessed from up to thousands of compute instances using the industry standard SMB protocol. Amazon eliminates the typical administrative overhead of managing Windows file servers. You pay for online resources used, with no upfront costs, minimum commitments, or additional fees. Amazon S3 Glacier. Amazon S3 Glacier is a secure, durable, and extremely low-cost storage service for data archiving and long-term backup. It is designed to deliver 99.9999999% durability, and provides comprehensive security and compliance capabilities that can help meet even the most stringent regulatory requirements. Amazon S3 Glacier provides query-in-place functionality, allowing you to run powerful analytics directly on your archived data at rest. You can store data for as little as $0.004 per gigabyte per month, a significant savings compared to on-premises solutions. To keep costs low yet suitable for varying retrieval needs, Amazon S3 Glacier provides 3 options for access to archives, from a few minutes to several hours. AWS Storage Gateway. The AWS Storage Gateway is a hybrid storage service that enables your on-premises applications to seamlessly use AWS cloud storage. You can use the service for backup and archiving, disaster recovery, cloud data processing, storage tiering, and migration. Your applications connect to the service through a virtual machine or hardware gateway appliance using standard storage protocols, such as NFS, SMB, and ISC. The gateway connects to AWS storage services, such as Amazon S3, S3 Glacier, and Amazon EBS, providing storage for files, volumes, and virtual tapes in AWS. The service includes a highly optimized data transfer mechanism, with bandwidth management, automated network resilience, and efficient data transfer, along with a local cache for low latency on-premises access to your most active data. Next steps. Reinvent how you work with IT by signing up for the AWS free tier, which enables you to gain hands-on experience with a broad selection of AWS products and services. Within the AWS free tier, you can test workloads and run applications to learn more and build the right solution for your organization. You can also contact AWS Sales and Business Development. By signing up for AWS, you have access to Amazon's cloud computing services. Note, the sign-up process requires a credit card, which will not be charged until you start using services. There are no long-term commitments and you can stop using AWS at any time. To help familiarize you with AWS, view these short videos that cover topics like creating an account, launching a virtual server, storing media, and more. Learn about the breadth and depth of AWS on our general AWS channel and AWS Online Tech Talks. Get hands-on experience from our self-paced labs. Conclusion. AWS provides building blocks that you can assemble quickly to support virtually any workload. With AWS, you'll find a complete set of highly available services that are designed to work together to build sophisticated scalable applications. You have access to highly durable storage, low-cost compute, high-performance databases, management tools, and more. All this is available without upfront cost, and you pay for only what you use. These services help organizations move faster, lower IT costs, and scale. AWS is trusted by the largest enterprises and the hottest startups to power a wide variety of workloads, including web and mobile applications, game development, data processing and warehousing, storage, archive, and many others.